Hello everyone. Today I'm going to showcase a few of the benefits of our Slack integration. After authorizing and installing the Transifex Slack application on your workspace and linking it to a Slack channel, you will be able to use its various features. For example, you will be notified in real time of any updates to your resources. As you can see here, a new resource was added to a specific project by a specific user. You can also respond directly to comments straight from the Slack interface. For example, if I click here on reply, I can write my response. Submit. And as you can see, my response is submitted and it is visible in the specific string. All I have to do is refresh the page here. And as you can see, here's my comment. One more thing that I can do is I can query to see various information regarding projects and resources. A list of available commands is visible by typing /tx, clicking on enter. And here's the list of my available commands. For example, let's say that I want to see the translation status for a specific project in a specific language. All I have to do is type in tx, stats, name of project, and the language code. Click enter. And as you can see, I can see the translation status for the French language. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in another video very soon.